Student meteorologist Dean D. Davis here, liveweatherblogs.com. We're looking at our southeast United States outlook for August 26, 2010. We're still having some dry air influence southeast, making it cooler. Current surface map we'll take a look at, and what it'll cause the weather to go bad tomorrow, satellite picture, and a state-by-state outlook on what it'll look like tomorrow with temperatures and precipitation. Let's start with the surface map. You can see we have a high pressure off the Outer Banks of North Carolina. We have a low pressure here in southern Georgia and Mississippi. That's bringing the moisture here into Florida. We've been getting a lot of rain here in the Florida area, Marco Island, Melbourne, Daytona, you name it. We've been getting a lot of precipitation across there. One front moving through the northeast that'll move off the coast, and we have some scattered rain showers here in the Roanoke Valley. And the next high pressure will build in behind this with much cooler and drier air. Taking a look at the satellite, you can see where the front's lined up right about there, and how the moisture is coming across here in the Gulf of Mexico. Also have to watch for some rotation starting to pull together here. It's an area that needs to be watched for tropical development, even though it has a very slight risk of happening. Taking a look at the temperatures for today on Thursday, this is going to be our highs. Charlottesville 82, 82 Richmond, 81 Roanoke, 80 Charleston, West Virginia, 79 Parkersburg, West Virginia. We got here up here in Morgantown 81, Baltimore 82, and Washington 82, and Norfolk down Hampton Roads 80 degrees. Raleigh-Durham 87 here in North Carolina, Greensville 86, Cape Hatteras 85, Newport 85, down here Holden Beach 83. Then we get in South Carolina, Columbia 90, Greensville 87, Florence 89, and 88 here in the eastern parts of Georgia, which will go into the Georgia forecast in a minute here. See the heat, it's getting trapped here, and the cool air here in the Appalachian Mountains out near Asheville, where you got 84 degrees. Macon, Georgia 93, 90 in hot Atlanta, and 90s are pretty uniform across the Georgia area. Taking a look here at Kentucky, Louisville 83, Paducah 86, 85 in Evansville, Indiana, and the eastern part of the state. We're seeing 80s throughout in the Appalachian Mountains, and it cuts down here also into Tennessee, where Nashville's 87, 86 in northern parts, and 87 in Knoxville, Tennessee. Here in Mississippi, Jackson 93, 91 Tupelo, 90 in Memphis, Tennessee. Birmingham 92, Huntsville 91, and mid-90s in the southern part of the state of Alabama. In Florida, 91 at Palm Beach, which is near Port St. Lucie area, 91 in Miami, 91 near Marco Island, 88 here in Key West, 91 here in Orlando, Tampa 90, Ocala 88, Tallahassee 89. And taking a look at what our precipitation looks like, you can see the Roanoke Valley down here into the Triad, also down here into Charlotte and part of the Appalachian Mountains. Hardly any precipitation, just a slight chance here south and east of Atlanta and Columbia and along near Holden Beach. And when we get into Florida is where you get the most probable precipitation near Orlando and the theme parks, Tampa Bay, a little less down in Palm Beach. Central Florida looks like to be the area that has the most probable chance of rain. So that's your southeast forecast. This is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Thank you for watching.